Hey there, I just wanted to issue a correction. I made a couple of small mistakes on problems 3, 4, 5. This is the video's titled and everything, but this is the Unit 3 semester exam review. So over here, I had previously said that it was that A was any number, but I didn't say that it was any negative number. That's important. The reason why it's a negative number is because this is a maximum. It said maximum value in the problem. So max tells me that the graph will open down. So looking at this one, this is a graph that's opening down. This is a maximum because you can see all the points are going below it. So if a graph's opening down, it has a maximum, that means A will be negative, because if A is negative, that'll tell me to go down. If A is positive, it'll tell me to go up. It'll open up. So because it said maximum, it's got to be negative. So it's helpful to write this down, or you can think about it visually in your head. But if it's maximum, that means it's going to be the highest point. That means it's going to open down, so A is negative. If it's minimum, that means it'll open up, and A will be the lowest point, so A will be positive. So I didn't make a mistake on number 4 because it said it opens down, and I remember to put the negative there. But number 5 was the same thing. It needs to open down. It needs to open down. In other words, A needs to be a negative number because it did say maximum again. So maximum makes a negative number. Minimum, A would be a positive number. Okay? So just, something small, but it is important. If you were graphing answer choices to figure out which one would be correct, you would eliminate any answer choice that has a positive A, because the vertex might be the same thing, but when you graph it, the vertexes will be the lowest point, making it have a minimum, so you'd know to eliminate that, okay? If you were checking out the graph calculator, you would do menu 6, and if you end up doing menu 6.2, which is minimum, that would be wrong. You'd need to do menu 6.3, which is max. So yeah. And then this one's not super important, but the instructions were to express the solution as an inequality, which we did, and then we just had to graph it. If x is in between the numbers like this, the shading will be in between. If x is not in between and makes an or statement, the shading will be on the edges. So these had closed dots because they were underlined inequality symbols, and I was shading in between because that was the true statement. And then the other one was a false statement when I plugged it in between, so it wouldn't be this true one. It'd be shading on the outsides, not in the middle. And then notice how I used open circles because it wasn't underlined. So that's going to wrap it up for this correction video. If you're watching, thank you for watching, and yeah, good luck, and goodbye.